In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Instagram Lite app on Android. If you want the Instagram experience without the heavy storage footprint or data usage, this is the fastest, official way to get it on your phone. Instagram Lite is a streamlined version of Instagram that keeps the essentials you love. It uses less storage on your device, saves mobile data, and still lets you post, watch reels, and send messages. It's designed to work smoothly even on slower internet connections, like 2G or 3G, and it feels faster on entry-level or older Android phones. The download size is smaller than the regular app, so it's quick to install and kinder to your storage. Let's get it from the Google Play Store, which is the recommended and official source. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store. You'll recognize it by the colorful triangle icon. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram Lite and look for the result labeled Instagram Lite, developed by Meta Platforms. That developer name is important. It's how you know you're getting the genuine app. You'll also notice it has hundreds of millions of downloads, which is another good sign you're in the right place. Tap Install. Because Instagram Lite is a smaller app, the download and installation usually finish quickly, even on slower networks. You'll see a progress circle while it installs. Once it's done, tap Open to launch the app right away. From here, you can sign into your account or explore the interface and settings to tailor it to your preferences. Everything feels familiar, just lighter and more efficient. A few quick pointers as you install. Make sure you have an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the download completes without interruption. Having a bit of free storage helps the process go smoothly, and the smaller size of Instagram Lite means you won't need much space. If you don't immediately see Instagram Lite in search results, it can sometimes be due to device or regional availability, so checking the spelling and the developer name Meta Platforms is a helpful double check. To recap the benefits you'll notice after installing, Instagram Lite conserves data, runs faster on low-end phones, and takes up less storage than the standard Instagram app, while still letting you post, watch reels, and chat with friends. And that's all there is to it. Quick, official, and secure through the Google Play Store. Enjoy a lighter Instagram experience on your Android device.